You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, which is Norwegian for Norway, so the name of the country, but in Norwegian. For reference, Norway in Norwegian is said as Norge, Norge, but in English this word is often pronounced as Norge, which is a bit strange, but Norge is how you want to say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.